Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the security. Now let's scroll down again to find SIM card lock and tap on change SIM pin. As you can see right now we have to enter our current pin, so let me do it and tap on OK. And right now we can enter new one. So let's enter it, tap on OK, and here we have to retype it in order to confirm. And as you can see, we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so from now on, after restarting your device, it will require the new pin. So actually this is it. This is how to change SIM pin in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.